Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to give you a tour inside a Mercedes E-Class, a real AMG. This is how the odometer looks like. You see it has to be an AMG. The stick, different buttons over there. Everything about this car is different. Even the stitches on the door panels are different. You have special buttons for your seat. Here you can see the start button. That's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel. Service Reset My Car. Service reset of all brands of cars. Thumbs up if you like our channel. See you next time. Bye bye.